Here we go. Alright, aim it over here. Alright. Pick a soda, any soda, guys. Okay. Let's say I want Sprite, V2. V2. Watch it. Aim the whole video. Alright, now watch this, guys. I'm getting all my money back, guys. The soda's right there. Oh, my bad. Hold on. Move. Alright, so we're gonna get D4. D4. D4.
That means I have to drink Sprite, huh?
Look at that.
You should have picked something better than Sprite.
Here you go. And here you go. Let's go.
So, cans. What do you want? And I'm gonna first just. Are you gonna go first? Right. I'm gonna go with that. Okay. Right. It's. Oh wait, that's out. Okay, let's just go with this one then. That's out too. Okay.
Okay, what about this?
Dr. Pepper. Nope. I'm gonna go Mountain Dew. Oh. Yay. Got old-fashioned Mountain Dew.
Now what do you want?
Let's get a lemon iced tea. Iced tea. Shoot. Let's do that one. Alright, okay. What? There's 3 of them?
What the heck?
Okay.
We didn't do any of this.
Okay.
Okay.
Just grab it, I guess.
Oh, this one is different.
Grab that one.
This is really confusing.
Oh, that didn't sound good. Okay, let's carry this out. Hey guys, Scott here, and look at all these chips we got. We got like half of these for free. Like, we got all these garden sauces for free. Actually, like $3. And yet we got 5 bags, and everything in here is $1.
It kept jamming up, and it told us to make another choice, so we just keep coming out.
Exactly, yeah. So, we'll show you how the trick works.
Alright.
Yeah, you make your decision, Flint. It's time for you, because all I've gotten is garden salsa so far.
It might not work if I want something.
I'm gonna click 2 times in a row.
That won't work. Here, let's just try.
Here, you just tell me the trick, and I'll do it for you.
Let's just try 28.
You gotta click it 2 times in a row.
Oh, I hit 22.
Well,
Still just some chips.
hey, at least we got more chips. Anyways, guys, so what you gotta do is when you do it, you gotta do this. Click it 2 times in a row. Pretty fast, yeah. Anyways, Flint, come on, let's go. We got all these chips, anyways.
So come in here. And, you have to type in like a code. So you see how it's on 0 now? You have to type in B 3 5 7 B 6. And look, it now shows $1.
In this video, I'll show you how to get a free soda or chips from this kind of vending machine. All you have to do is insert your dollar. As you can see, there's no dollar in there. You insert it and then press the return. Take your dollar and then put it in once again. Then choose a soda or chips. I'll choose 56. Put 5, 6, and then press the return. Hold it. It'll drop one, and it'll drop another one. And then you'll see it'll return your change. Please make another selection. Then press return. Then you get your dollar again. Then you get 2 soda, 1, oh, where'd the other one go? And 2.